He is the picture of a king, the fruit to the side of his queen. He is like a forward and tame tiger. He brings warmth every day. He is loyal each time. It makes her desire him more. He is a man of importance to her. To her he is a priceless man. He is the man for all season. The reason she is patient. He is the true Jamaican man. She sings and declare him her king. He is humbled by her choice. She give him an unbeatable love. He is the light in her dark room. He is her passionate dream, the one she loves and always will. She treats him kindly as a king. Being with him made her win.